Hi everybody, this is Connie from Connie's Nails and Creative Creations, and today I am taking part in the Twine It Up Challenge. The host is Favi, or actually Creations by Favi, and her name is Fanny, and we have the Crafty DIY Guy, and that is Jamie is her co-host. Now she does this every single month, and it is a challenge to use twine in your projects. So let's get right to it. Okay, so the first thing I did was I got an embroidery hoop, and I took it apart, and I took the center, and I am taking this twine that you get at the Dollar Tree, and it's just like a white, off-white colored twine. And what I'm going to do is wind it completely around the whole embroidery hoop, and then we'll start doing a fun little application on it. But while we're watching me do this, I wanted to let you know you'll want to go down to the description box. Down there will be Creations by Favi's channel link, as well as the Crafty DIY Guy's channel link, and the playlist. There's going to be a lot of creators that's making videos on this, and they're phenomenal. So you just definitely want to check this out. Now, I was only able to do one project for this video. Normally I do more, but today I was only able to get one done. So now I've got that done, and I've took an old yogurt cup, and I am cutting the bottom out, as well as I'm cutting the top off. I'm making it look like a little donut, but it was a little too wide still, so I'm just clipping it on the inside so I can cut it, and so it'll be more of just a ring. Now that I've got that done, I am going to, because it's small and that spool won't go through it, I just cut a bunch off, and I'm gluing that right on, and then I'm just going to start winding this the twine around it, and you'll see what I'm doing, the actual design of what I am doing. So I'm going like hooking it with the twine, and then I'm going to fan out all the way around. It ends up looking really cool. It took me quite a while to get it done, but as you can see, it's coming up the sides, and it's going to literally go all the way around. Now, when I was halfway through doing this, I noticed my phone had stopped recording, so I missed a bunch of the footage, but it's pretty self-explanatory what I end up doing. I've got some of that twine going on both sides, and I'm just going around it, and I'm using the hot glue so that it will stay in place, because I want it to stay fanned out, because I don't want to pull too hard on that plastic ring. I don't want to distort it too much, so I'm just using the hot glue so that it will keep it in place. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That helps my channel, and give me a big old thumbs up. And if you will hit that notification bell, you'll be notified, and if you hit it twice and hit that all, you'll be notified every single time I upload a video, so you won't miss anything. And if you are a returning subscriber, I'm so glad you're here, and I hope you're enjoying this. And if you're new, welcome, and please come back, as well as subscribe. That helps my channel grow. So as you can see, it's starting to fan out really well, and I go all the way around. Now, I did not tie any knots at the ends when I got to the ends, because I didn't want a bulkiness. So I'm just hot gluing it down, and then going with the twine over it, so that it doesn't have any bulky knots on there. Now, part of the stuff of the footage that I lost is I went back over this a second time, but you'll see right here what it looks like. Now I grabbed two picks of florals, spring florals. that comes from the Dollar Tree, but I think it's just beautiful for any time of the year. And I'm just going to do a floral, like a bouquet fan at the bottom of this. And then I'm going to, when I get that all done, I'm going to make a bow. And then I'm going to take some pink ribbon and thin ribbon and make a hanger. And this will hang on my wall. So, like I said, I really hope you guys enjoy this. And it's a simple little one, but it was time consuming. And I ran out of time to make more. So next time I'll make sure I have more time. But I hope you guys really like this. It ended up being really very pretty. And I can't wait to get it on my walls as soon as I get my bedroom walls painted. So, you guys have a fantastic day. As well as, yeah, just, oh, and I got to show you how I did this bow. Now, it's a wired bow. And it's just white organza ribbon from Dollar Tree. I just grabbed some wire off of that floral wire, which is on a paddle. And I'm just bunching this up and folding it back and forth and twisting every time I fold it. That gives your bow more, I wouldn't say girth, just more bunched up ribbon in the center, so it spreads out more and becomes more of a fuller bow rather than a flat bow. Ends up being very pretty. I ended up doing, I think, 5 or 6 loops on each side. And I'm just going to cut that, and I'm going to just poof it up, and then I'm going to hot glue it right in the center of those flowers. So here you go. This is the hanging. I really like this. I hope you guys have a great week, as well as have a blessed week. And please be the Bible that somebody reads today. And you have a great day. Bye.